Now I want to give you a simple solution. I want to teach you how to measure your feet correctly by yourself, easy and fast. You really don't need to make outline of your feet. Now I will teach you the simple solution how to measure your feet easy. So what you need to do? First of all, you need to take simple paper A4, place it close to the wall, and place on it your foot in the way where the heel of your foot touches the wall. It's very important, so pay attention how you will do it. And also the edge of the paper must touch the wall. So this line where your heel touches the wall will lay in 90 degrees angle toward the paper. Next is you need to measure the length of your foot, and how to do it. You need to take pencil or pen and place it to the longest toe in 90 degrees angle to the floor. So here we have 90 degrees angle. We have different feet, so if you have longest toe is the second toe, so place pen or pencil to this toe, okay? And then you will have this distance between edge of the paper and mark that you marked using pen, the longest toe of your foot. This is the length of your foot. You see how it's simple to measure it? So don't make outline of your feet. Measure your feet length as I explained just now. Next parameter, very important as well, and you know it why. You know why we have next parameter, and this is the width of our foot. To measure the width, you need to take tape and place it on the widest place of your foot. Usually we have widest place on our foot in the bones. Here also passes the joint line, and here you need to measure the girth of your foot, and it will give you the width of your feet. Measure both of your feet and choose the biggest one to know the real size of your foot.